Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound these simple words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to open up the slashes. Okay, I'm done. So let's go. C, teeth, fees, peel, greet, meet, feel, feed, need, and seed. That's it. And close them up quickly. Ensure you sound your TH correctly. So let's sound. C, teeth, fizz, peel, greet, meet, feel, feed, need, seed. C, teeth, fizz, peel, greet, meet, feel, feed, need, seed. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.